Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue. App installed but app icon is not showing in the home screen or your apps and games section. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So here you can see YouTube app is already installed in this, but it's not showing in the home screen. If we go to your apps and games section, so there also YouTube app is not showing, but it already installed. So let me open this app store. If we go to app store, then go to app library, here we can see YouTube app under installed apps. See, here we can see YouTube. That means YouTube is already installed, but it's not showing in the home screen or your apps and games section. So I will show you how to fix it. From here, select YouTube, then press menu button on the remote button which has 3 straight lines on top. Press that menu button. Then set show on your apps. Select this option, show on your apps. Done. Then go to home screen. Then go to your apps and games section. Now here we can see YouTube app. See, select it, then press menu button on the remote button which has 3 straight lines on top. Press that button. Then go to move to front. Select this option, move to front. Done. Then go to home screen. See, now we can see YouTube app here in the home screen. If we go to your apps and games section, there also we can see YouTube app. So this way we can fix this issue. App is installed but it's not showing the home screen and your apps and games section. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.